tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-350 36-inch Color Inkjet Printer, and I'm super excited to dive into its amazing features and benefits. This incredible machine is not just a printer, it's a game changer for anyone looking to produce high-quality, large-format prints with ease and precision. Whether you're a professional architect, engineer, or graphic designer, this printer is designed to meet your needs and exceed your expectations. One of the most significant advantages of purchasing the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-350 from CES Imaging is the inclusion of $300 worth of extra ink. This is a huge bonus, as it means you'll have plenty of ink to get started with your printing projects, without having to worry about running out soon. Imagine being able to print out your designs, plans, or artwork without having to constantly monitor your ink levels or worry about the cost of replacement cartridges. This extra ink is a valuable addition that will save you money and hassle in the long run, and it's just one of the many reasons why CES Imaging stands out as a top retailer. Another key feature that sets the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-350 apart is its 2-year on-site warranty. This comprehensive warranty provides you with peace of mind, knowing that you're protected against any defects or issues that may arise with your printer. With CES Imaging being a Canon Platinum reseller, you can trust that you're getting a genuine Canon product, backed by the manufacturer's reputation for quality and reliability. The on-site warranty means that if anything goes wrong, a technician will come to you, so you won't have to worry about shipping your printer back and forth for repairs. This level of support and service is unparalleled in the industry, and it's a major reason why the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-350 is the go-to choice for professionals. Now, let's talk about the printer itself. The Canon imagePROGRAF TM-350 is a turnkey solution, meaning it comes with everything you need to get started, including ink and a print head. This makes it easy to set up and use, even for those who are new to large format printing. With a print speed of 3.2 D-size pages per minute, you'll be able to produce high-quality prints quickly and efficiently. Whether you're working on a tight deadline or need to print out large quantities of documents, this printer is up to the task. The image quality is stunning, with vibrant colors and precise details that will make your prints look professional and polished. In conclusion, the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-350 36-inch Color Inkjet Printer is an exceptional machine that offers a unique combination of quality, reliability, and value. With its included extra ink, comprehensive warranty, and turnkey solution, it's the perfect choice for anyone looking to take their printing to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to purchase the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-350 from CES Imaging today, and discover a world of limitless printing possibilities. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to elevate your work and take your creativity to new heights. Get ready to experience the power and precision of the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-350 and take your printing to the next